An update on how to calibrate the stick range using the DualShock calibration GUI. So really all you need to do press the analog sticks, continue circling. And done. So there you can see circularity is basically perfect. So that's the automatic one, but as you can see it's jittering just a little bit and it's just a little bit off center. So I'm going to go to fine tune stick calibration and really, as you see, move the stick to select it for tuning, then without touching the stick, use the D-pad buttons to adjust the center point. Flick it and again and adjust it again if it is off center or flickers. So here you can see I'm pulling it down, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to press up. And there we go, it's perfectly center on the left. And on the right, we need to pull it down a little bit. You can see it's down, and we're going to go right. And then it's perfect on the right there. Let's just look at the left again. The left has got a tiny bit of jitter, but honestly, let's just leave it at that. And then you click done, and there you go. And then you save changes permanently.